What's good? It's your boy Big Mo. You already know. Get on my freestyles. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Check it. See me. P.I.M. to the fucking P. Big Mo is on the flow, ripping shit up, that's for sure. Goddamn, rolling blunts in the cherry cigarette low. Nigga talk shit, be spanking on the floor, cause you already know my name, Big Mo. Talking shit that won't be what no motherfucking beef. I'ma fucking pull out my strap, leave you dead up in the streets. That's how I do it, like every fucking day. Let a nigga throw up his clip. I'ma cop the K. Goddamn it, I will fucking slay any opponent. Them niggas talking shit, click his ass like an opponent to my TV. Damn, you cannot beat me. My name Big Mo. I am the fucking Grand Reaper. Shit, I am creeping as that fucking candy dripping. God damn it, I am flipping bricks. Then I flip your ass. And you know I'm chopping them down. And you know I love to thrash. Nigga talk that shit, I'ma soak his face down in some gas. Set his motherfucking ass on fire. Me, I'm shooting flames out my breath. Retire. Damn, I am eating every rapper in the game. Nigga talking that shit. I'ma dunk on the lanes. God damn it, I am running shit. Young ass niggas run this bitch. God damn it, better get the fuck back. I'm way too rich. Slap that clip. Shit, I beat it down to the ground. That bitch about drowned. Shit, better get back. For your ass, gets bitch slapped. Name Big Mo, I do not play no fucking games when I am freestyling. Wildin' out. Got these hoes wildin' out. Shit, put it in my mouth. That's what they keep on saying. So you know what I do, I jack that hammer, tell that bitch to get the spraying. Shit. Cut the music up. Yeah. Hey. I'ma smoke a yellow dro blunt to my fucking dome. I'ma wind up in the clouds, then I'ma go back home. Shit, that's how I do it. It is no fucking games. When you talk that shit, then you come my way. Shit, slave. It's a aftermath, back to Christ. Name Big Mo, I tell you twice. Hell to the no, I'ma tell you once. That's right before I take your life. Nigga better duck, nigga better duck, nigga better run when I bust. You already know, shit. Turning everybody into dust. I'ma thrust on that motherfucking trigger. I'm the realest nigga in the game that's doing it. You feel it? I know you feel it, cause you can call it the riddle. I'm eating bitch niggas up like Skittles. God damn it, shit. Better get the fuck around me. Name Big Mo, nigga, you can never ground me. You can never hit me cause I am way too quick. I put that quickness on your ass, left stick, right stick. Got more hits than that nigga named Mike. Let a nigga talk that shit, cause I'm rocking on the mic. Fucking bad bitches every day. Cocking cases, talking me to slay. Shit, I am flipping these bricks, flipping these niggas, I am the shit. Slow it down, I'm about to clown. I already know I do my thing. Smoking blunts of Mary J. Swerving what? Lane to lane. In my Suburban through the birds. Damn it, nigga, I scraped the curb. 28, get another. Goddamn it, I'm a crazy motherfucker, cause you already know I'm killing this shit. Telling me to get back for flip for the brick. Goddamn it, every pony I get, I rip him, shit him, shit. Damn it, man, that is not the end. You already know, I just never begin. Shit, I'm kicking these flows. Fucking what top notch 10 hoes. No grenades up in my face. Every bitch looks so damn fine. I'm about to nut before I put it in, and that's right. Yes, sir, I let that pussy right. Beat it down for 35 minutes. I hopped out, then got back in it. I'ma kill it. It ain't no thing. Yeah, buddy. Look at this laptop, nigga. You sit? Hold up. Sit. You sit? Hold up. There we go. You sit? What? Hold up. What? All the way back, then down. Ain't that some shit? You ever seen that shit? Look at this. Touchscreen, nigga. That's that insane shit.